Welcome back, you guys. Do you remember when I showed you the lemon tree I bought and it was just like little white leaves? I'm literally growing lemons. And you see the snow behind me? I'm not growing this in the tropics. If you have a window with a ton of light, then you can grow them too. So they started out as little white flowers, and now look up close. They're green. It said lemon tree, so maybe it'll turn yellow. But basically, you can grow this in any environment as long as it's facing the sunshine a lot, like a lot. Okay, so again, the white flowers smelled amazing. You can even see at the end of the lemon, some of the white flower is left. Okay, but it's like old now. And then we have little ones that are going to hopefully also sprout. That was the white flower before. It was bigger. But anyway, yeah, I keep it well watered and lots of light.